Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps. And if you're in charge of writing job aids, digital guides, or other documentation for your business, you've probably encountered this question. What type of help guide should I create for fill in the blank procedure? When it comes to documenting your company's step-by-step procedures for your end users, you really have three primary options: a how-to article, a checklist article, or a workflow article. But deciding which of these three article types to use when writing your guides can be difficult. The key is to ask yourself, how would I explain this in person? And then consider which would best help your end user do something. Now, getting a little more specific, here are some simple guidelines I follow to help me decide which type of article I'm writing for any given procedure. First, if someone asks me a question and my answer is, click here, click there, then I'd create a how-to article. And this article is great for short procedures that are linear, have a direct line of action, and benefit from using visuals. Second, if someone asks me a question and my answer is, well, first you do this task, and then that task, and then this task, well, then I would create a checklist article. Now, a checklist allows me to list consecutive tasks that must be completed in a specific order, and it makes it easy for an end user to skim and then complete that job quickly and correctly. Third, if someone asks me a question and my answer is, well, it depends. Is your situation this, or is your situation that? Well, for those types of answers, I would want a workflow article. These procedures are usually complex and have a lot of decision trees. So a workflow article allows for me to account for all the different variables. And there you have it. 3 options for creating process documentation for your step-by-step procedures. If you want more help writing clear and concise digital guides, watch our webinar on how to give your digital guides an extreme makeover so that your guides are more findable, followable, and scannable for your end users.